and today I'm going to be showing you how you can draft your bodice block pattern. So the bodice block pattern is the basic and the foundation for every other design you want to achieve as a fashion designer. The first thing you need to know how to do when you are beginning or as a beginner is to learn how to draft your bodice block pattern. This body block pattern will help you to design any style of your choice, ranging from your yoke and your dart manipulation, your slash and spread methods, and so on and so forth. So stay tuned to the end of this video. Please do it to like and share to your friends. Don't forget to subscribe. Welcome once again to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how you can draft your bodice block. Okay, so it's very simple, and all I need is my ruler, my scissors, my French curve, my tape, my eraser, and also my measuring book. Okay, I've already put in the measurements in this sheet of paper, so it's very easy for me. So all I need for the measurement is my bust, my shoulder, my bust point, my span, which is my dart measurement, my underbust, the half length, the armhole, and the underbust round, the waist measurement. You also need the hip measurement if you're to draft it up to the hip, or if you're doing a full gown or you want to do a full gown bodice pattern. Okay, let's get started. Now I've already drawn out my shoulder line. I use 1 inch here and measure 1 inch and I rule the line. I also measure 1 inch here and rule. So this is my center front. Okay, I'll start by putting my shoulder measurement, which is 14 divided by 2 will give me 7. So I mark my 7 here. So to get my armhole is 19. So 19 divided by 2 is 9 points. .5. Okay. Up to that point here, up to the 9.5. Okay, so don't forget to check if it corresponds. She has a very okay, yes, perfect. So from here to here ought to be 9, up to be 7, and from here to here is 9. So I'm going to so this is my chest measurement. Okay, this is my chest measurement from here to the armhole. So the armhole is the chest measurement. So I'm going to measure, putting my bust point. My bust point here is 10 and a half. So this is it, 10 and a half. I'm going to be marking 10 and a half like in 2 places so that I can get a very straight line. Okay, okay. So now my underbust is 13, so I'm just going to do 13 here. Okay, 13 here, 13 here. I'm marking it on 2 places. I'm also going to mark 13 here. So because she's a tall person and she has a bigger armhole, that's why. And she has a smaller bust. So it depends on the person's measurement. So it's very, very important that you get the accurate measurement for each person. Don't make assumptions when you're taking measurements. Okay, that's that. So our half length is 16. So each person has their unique measurements. So it's important for you to take a measurement first before placing it on the pattern. Okay. Yes, that's that. Now the next thing we'll be doing, if you have space that is up to like 9 downwards, you just draw out 9 to this point. Let's assume now that my paper is long and this is 9. I'll mark 9 here, and then I'll come to this side and rule. Okay, so now it's time for me to mark in the shoulder slope. 1 inch here. For the neck depth, I'm using 3 inch. I'm using 3 inch standard. Yes, but for the back I'm going to be using 1. So for this I'm just marking it out for you not to get confused. So when you see the part 2 of this video, you will know why I mark the back neck. So it's very important for you to subscribe so that you'll be notified when I post the part 2 of this video. Okay, so I also take out 3 in this part. So if you don't want to get a perfect one, you can roll it down. Roll it down also. You can use your French curve now to get your neck. That's it. So this is the back. This is for the back. Okay, I hope you understand. This neckline, this first one here is for the back, the second one is for the front. So now we're going to draw out the shoulder slope. I've already taken out 1 inch downwards, so I'm just going to connect. Okay, so next I'm going to look for the midpoint of this. This is 8.5. So to get this is going to be 4.25. You mark it here. Let me use my tape. You go in 1/2 inch. Yeah. Okay. Now you come in here. You mark in 1 outward, that is towards the armhole. So you mark 1. that way. So the next step now is for you to use your French curl to trace this. So after drawing this, you've gotten your armhole. The next thing is to get your bust measurement. Bust measurements, our bust measurement divided by 4 is 9.375. 9.375. Then I'm going to add 1.5 inch as my seam allowance. Okay, I'm going to also do the same here. Another bust measurement is divided by 4 is 8.125. Plus 1.5 inch seam allowance. Okay. Yeah. So our waist measurements divided by 4. Okay. Now I'm going to connect. Okay. So this is my 1.5 inch allowance that I marked. For the back, because the back is usually wider than the front, I'm just going to mark the back armhole. Yeah, I'm just going to draw the back armhole, starting from here, meeting this place. Okay, so we have both the front and back armhole. Okay. So I'm just going to use my hands to make this smooth so that you can see what I've drawn. Okay, this is the back armhole and this is the front armhole. So they are meeting on the same place, if you notice. So the next thing I'm going to do is to cut it out and also add my dart measurement to this. Okay, stay tuned. I'll be showing you that in my next video. Please do to subscribe. Thank you. So this is the end of this video. Please do to give this video a thumbs up, share to your friends, and like and subscribe to my channel. Okay, and I'll see you in my next video, the part 2 of this video. Okay, bye bye.